Today we are going to make sweetbread, and some of the ingredients that we would need flour, coconut that we pre-grated using the mixer. We'd also need raisins that we washed before, milk, dairy, we use dairy powdered milk that we mixed before. We have sugar, blue band, French made, nutmeg. You can also use the grind nutmeg, but we use the whole one and we grated it. We have eggs, mixed essence, cinnamon powder. You'll also need baking powder and yeast. So we have here the flour that was pre-sifted to ensure that the sweetbread comes out wonderfully and soft. And here we have Miss Hospitalis, who would be doing the mixing today. First we add sugar to the flour. Here she's adding the sugar to the mixture. After which we would add baking powder to the flour and sugar. You're adding baking powder to the flour and sugar. So even in the kitchen you could also use a little alcohol, that's okay. After which you add yeast to the flour, sugar and baking powder, and you mix. You mix till it's into the flour properly. You add French made to the mixture, as well as margarine. And you begin to massage so that it's dissolved into the flour. Rub in until you can't see any more of the margarine or French made. Once rubbed into the flour, add cinnamon powder to the mixture. Cinnamon is what gives its flavor. And the nutmeg. Nutmeg is very important. That is what gives it its flavor along with the cinnamon. Now you have to add the egg. Just 2 eggs would be sufficient to make the sweetbread fluffy and nice. Mix it into the flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, and all of the other ingredients. Once properly dissolved into the flour, add the coconut, raisins, followed by the milk, which we would see her do now. Get all that coconut up in your flour. Coconut is what gives it its texture. Add raisins, and usually add mixed fruits to it, but unfortunately we were unable to get mixed fruit due to the time of the year. It's Christmas and everyone wants to make their fruit cake and their sweetbread, so there weren't any available at the grocery. Add mixed essence to everything. That is what gives it its beautiful scent. You know, we all know that mixed essence is a beautiful, beautiful smelling fragrance. Add the milk and massage into the flour. This is the fun part. Add milk and rub it into flour. Notice it's sticky, which one makes it sticky, and you know you're on the right track. So once it's mixed, leave it to raise. Leave it to raise, and after which, so you're going to leave it to rise, and after which you're going to, it will be placed into tins and put in the oven to bake. So this is just part of the process, and you will see the end result later on.